who's been adjusting to this new chapter of life for the past 6 months.
Hi, I'm Etla. I'm also in high school and I've been navigating through this exciting yet challenging journey just like everyone else.
Hey, I'm Indah. I'd like to share some of my high school experience with you all today.
Hi, I'm Zia. I'm also here to talk about how school has been treating me so far. It's been an intense ride. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking about when high school is totally different from what I expect. I talk to work details, but it's way more intense than I imagined.
Right? At first, I was like, whoa, high school is so tough.
But honestly, I think it's super fun to talk about all of high school experience so far. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to it.
So let's hear your experience from the first time you are in school today. Share your parents, summers, test food, and maybe everyone are school. So in this conversation, we're going to share our experience over the past 6 months of being in high school, from our expectations before entering to the reality we face, and also our plans for the future in high school.
I think this topic is important because high school is such a big transition. Going from middle school where things are more relaxed to high school where we have to be more independent and responsible.
Yes, exactly. In high school is also the time when we start figuring out who we really are. There are a lot of new things that teach us more about life.
Definitely, plus high school is supposed to be one of the most memorous times in our lives. Games, fun to share and document their stories. Alright, I'll start. So my first day in high school was about the MPLS. We were introduced to the school rules, the teachers, and the facilities. We did group activities like making chairs, which made everything so much fun. Even though it was a little awkward at first, I started getting close with some new friends and met a few old friends as well. It was a thrilling but exciting day, and it really got me pumped up for the high school experience ahead. As I spent less than 6 months in high school, I first myself in competing at my tax field. There are so many extracurricular activities at school. At first, I joined the curriculum, but later I switched to Pancasila, which was a really interesting choice. Joining the Merpati Putri Martial as extracurricular was challenging, but it was rewarding. I learned basic movements, reading techniques, and defense and the offensive skills. At first, my musicals were sore, but I got used to it over time. The most memorable experience was when I participated in a school competition. Not only did I get physically stronger, but I also learned a lot about disciplines and respect for material arts.
Wow, I totally get that, yeah. The adapting phase is definitely not easy, especially when you're not with your old friends. But how about now? Are you feeling more comfortable now?
Thankfully, yeah. It's much better now. I've made some great new friends, and joining Jackslab has helped me grow a lot both physically and mentally.
For me, at the start of high school, I wanted to focus solely on academics. I had been quite active in extracurricular activities back in middle school, so I take a break in high school. My parents also suggest I focus more on my studies. I even promised my close friend that I would join any organization. But then, during the orientation program, MPLS, I got interested in one of the student organizations that was part of the commit. They were so fun, and the leaders and core members were so cool. So I decided to apply, and I got in. At the time, I was not really close with my classmates, so I thought joining this organization would help me expand my social circle.
Wow, so at first, you weren't planning to join any organization, right? What made you change your mind?
Yeah, I was not planning to, but after seeing how exciting the organization was during MPLS, I got really interested. A few weeks after that, I started becoming closer to my classmates, especially since some of them were from my middle school. I even sat next to a friend from middle school, even though we were in different courses, so it really helped me bond with my classmates.
Well, my story is a bit different. On registration phase for high school, I graduation from SMP Negeri 1 Sumberjaya. I passed to my current school, SMA Negeri 1 Sumberjaya. When I first started, I was very focused on studying and raised my best to adapt to the new environment. Meeting classmates from different school with different personalities. I, I, I participated in the MPLS from the class, which was stressful. I was introduction to the theater, the extracurricular, and the different from our school. But after I realized I started to feel more comfortable and become to get along with my classmates, and I started enjoying my time in this school more. Even to the first 5 days where I left onwards.
I totally get that, Sia. It's always challenging to get used to a new place, especially when everything feels so unfamiliar. But I'm glad you're starting to feel more at home now.
Yeah, I had a similar experience, yeah. It's like you're excited but also nervous, right? But I bet by now you've made some great friends.
Absolutely, it's always tough in the beginning, but once you get through those first awkward days, everything seems to fall into place. I'm sure you're starting to enjoy high school more now.
As for me, the past 6 months of high school have taught me so much. The first few months were filled with new experience. At first, I was really nervous about adjusting to the new environment and worried I would be able to fit in. But after a while, I started feeling more comfortable. There was one organization where each class had to send a representative, and I got selected. That helped me create relationship with new people. On the academic side, high school is definitely tougher. The workload is heavier, and the schedule is more packed. But that's where teaching me to be more disciplined and responsible. The 6 months have been a mix of challenge, fun, and personal growth. I I've come to realize that high school is not just about academics, but also about managing your time and adjusting to all the new things that come your way.
Wow, that's amazing, Indah. So, what are your plans for the rest of high school? So, from all the stories we said, we can conclude that high school is full of challenges and learning opportunities. From adapting, becoming more independent, and even discovering our passions.
Yeah, high school is not just about academics. It's about growing into a better version of ourselves. Even with all the ups and downs, everything is definitely worth it.
Okay guys, that's our story about our first 6 months as high school student. We hope this conversation has been helpful and relatable to all for you.
If you have any fun or interaction with school stories, feel free to share them in the comments.
See you next time.
For the high school experience ahead. Cut your when I first started, I was opportunities from and learning opportunities.
See you next time. Yes, mari. Akhirnya guys. See you next time.
Balik ayo.
Dadah guys. Dadah guys.